How to download tracks on SoundCloud tutorial. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download tracks on SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to download tracks from SoundCloud, it's very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then open the SoundCloud application. Now the process of download depends upon from track to track, because some artists might have allowed download for their song. So if you just select any of the artists here, and then if the song is downloadable, normally you can just tap the three dots option and then you would have the download icon pop up over here. But if you don't have the download button, if you have, then that's very much lucky because the artists have allowed it. But if it's not there, then you can also just choose to copy the link like this, and once you choose to copy the link, you can open up a web browser and search for SoundCloud downloader, and any of the link will basically work for you. You can just go to any website over here and then just paste the link that we copied of the song we want to download, tap on the download track option right over here, and then you will be able to go ahead and then basically actually download those songs to your device. This way you'll be able to download tracks on SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.